workbook. This is group 5, the deep chest muscles or muscles of the thorax here. And the one that's easiest to see as a landmark is our serratus ventralis. We did this in the rat as well. We had obviously much smaller in the rat, but we've got several bands here that are originating on the ribs and then as a group kind of all meeting up and inserting on the scapula. So these are going to help pull the scapula towards the front side of the body. So let me I'll put a couple yellow pins in here so that you can see there's more than one band. So that's our serratus ventralis. Okay. And then what comes next here? Subscapularis is this big muscle right in here that is sitting on the anterior surface of the scapula. This is the 4th rotator cuff muscle. So the other 3 are posterior. We'll look at those. This is the anterior muscle that is part of the rotator cuff. That is originating on the scapula, down here in the subscapular fossa, and inserting on the lesser tubercle of the humerus. So we'd have to go way up there towards the humerus, and that's going to help pull the humerus towards the middle, medially. Okay, so that's subscapularis. Then let's go to the scalenes. There's one major band that's the easiest to see. That's the middle portion. So this is the middle scalene. We'll give that blue. And then here's the posterior portion of the scalene. We'll give that purple. And then finally, the anterior portion of the scalene up in there, right up there. So give that light blue. And then finally, the transversus costarum, right in here. We'll make that one red. Okay. All right, so to review, this group is the serratus ventralis, these bands that all come together and insert on the scapula. The subscapularis, sitting on the anterior surface of the scapula. Our scalenes, posterior, middle, and anterior. And then transversus costarum.